Ngayon pupunta tayong while loop na 'no. Basically, ang while loop ay nagre-repeatedly execute a block of code 'no, if a specified condition is true. Chine-check niya din muna yung condition bago mag-run yung loop na yun 'no. So, kapag yung condition is nag-false from the start, ayan, the loop will not execute. Ayan, basically ito yung syntax niya, while, yan, while condition, ayan, code to execute repeatedly, ito yung sabi. And then, ayan, example, integer counter, ayan, is 5 is less than by 1, no, then paulit-ulit yan, no, then, ulit-ulit, is 4 is less than by 1, no, paulit-ulit ulit, hanggang sa mag-1. Pag nag-1 yan, doon na siya hihinto, no? Then, ayan yung explanation. No? The while loop starts by checking if the counter is less than equal by 5. If true, it prints the counter value and increments it. Yan. The loop stops when counter is greater than 5. No? Output, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yan. Basically, ayan yun. And then, may infinite loop din tayo. No? Common pitfall. Ayan. Yung, ano, be careful to update variables in loop, otherwise you might create an infinite loop. Yan, for example, integer counter 1, while counter less than equal by 5, console write line, yan. So basically, missing ng counter plus plus dito. So, kailangan nyo maglagay, no? Kasi pag hindi kayo naglagay, nag-creates ng infinite loop yun. And then always ensure that the loop's condition will eventually become false to avoid infinite execution, no? Ayan. So, basically ito, what is do while loop? Ang do while loop ay is like a while loop but with one key difference, no? Ay na-execute niya muna yung loop body at least once before checking the condition. Ayan. Ito yung syntax. Do code to execute repeatedly while. Yan yung condition. For example, integer counter 1, yan. Do console write line, yan. Chine-check niya muna, no? Counter plus counter, counter plus plus, yan. Ganun ulit, same ulit. Less than by equal ba si 5? No. Yan, pababa, pababa. The ano, explanation, the do blocks execute first printing the counter value and incrementing it. After each execution, the condition counter less than equal 5 is checked. No? Mag-stop lang yung loop when the condition becomes false na hanggang sa bumababa kay 1. Pag bumaba na kay 1 yun, dun na. Dun na siya hihinto. Ayan. So basically, ano nga ba pinagkaiba nila? Ang pinagkaiba ng loop tsaka do while loop and do while loop, sorry. Ang while loop ay uh, the condition is checked before the loop body execute, no? While ang do while, chine-check after the loop execute, no? Kapag tuloy-tuloy yung loop, no? Ensuring the code at least once, no? Ayan, tsaka yung ano niya, yung syntax nung while, iba din naman kumpara dun sa do while, no? For example, kasi sa while loop, pag yung initialize mo yung isang value is greater than 5, the loop will not execute. While yung sa do while naman, kapag nag-loop ka ng once, even though the condition is false, initially yun, magra-run yun pag ganun. Ayan, for example, encounter, ayan, while loop, mag initialize yan ng value greater than 5 and the loop will not execute. While yung sa do while naman kasi, magra-run yung loop at least once, no? Though the condition is false, no? Initially, pag ganun. Ay, no? Output, the while loop does not run because the condition is false initially. And the do while loop runs once before checking the condition. Yan. So basically, ayun yung do while loop and while loop, no? Ayan po. Ayan, basically, ayan, no? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yan. Int I, ito yung value ni I, which is 0. Yan. Is I less than by 0? No. Yan. Pababa ng pababa. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pag nag-4 na, yan. Is 5 is less than by 0? No. Hihinto na siya sa 4 mismo kasi di naman na less than by 5 si 0 eh. Ay di naman na less than by 5 si 5 eh. So ang mangyayari, hihinto na sa 4 mismo. Ayun. Yan, yung sa password loop. Yan, basically kapag mali yung password, mag-error, tapos magta-try kayo ulit. Yan, basically yan. Access granted kapag tama. Pero kapag mali, access denied, ulit-ulitin nyo. No? Ayun. No? The while loop enters the password is checked before granting access, while the do while loop ensures the prompt appears at least once. No? So, ayun. The conclusion will be use while loops when you want to check the condition before executing the code. While pag gagamit kayo ng do while, you need the code to execute at least once. No? Ayun, both loops nga are powerful tools for handling repetitive tasks. Choose the one that fits your scenarios best. No? So, yun lang. Thank you.